Hi, this is Teacher G once again, and I am going to talk about short vowel sounds or words. Let's begin. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Short vowel sounds represent the basic English pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of English words depends on English vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds use the consonant vowel consonant CVC pattern. The CVC pattern has a single vowel placed between two consonants. The vowel is pronounced as a short vowel sound. In this lesson, you are expected to write the names of pictures with the short A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Look at the pictures in the table and answer the questions. Write and pronounce the name of each picture. Look at the first picture. What is it? How about this one? And this one? And this? The last one. Can you name each of this picture? Let's name the first picture. It's a picture of a pen. The other one is a picture of a good. It's a lad. The third picture is a picture of a tub. Yes, it's a tub. This one is a mop. And the last one is a picture of a bed. Yes, it's a bed. Great! Now, what can you say about the sounds of the vowel in each word? The pen, lad, tub, mop, and bed. Yes, those sounds are examples of short vowel sounds. Learning test number 1. Write in your notebook the correct word for a short vowel sound for each picture. Choose your answer from the words listed in the box. Choices are wed, cop, sip, man, and none. Let's answer. Number 1. It's a cop. Yes, it's a cop. 2. The correct answer for that is sip. Very good. Look at the girl. The girl is sipping something. A juice or whatever is in the glass. Look at number 3. It's a picture of a man. Yes. Well done. 4. The correct answer for that is wed. And the last one, it's a nun. Learning test number 2. Write the missing vowel sounds to complete the name of each picture. Write your answers in your notebook. Look at the picture number 1. What is that? 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start answering now. Write the missing vowel. 1. What is that? It's a bag. So the missing letter is letter A. 2. It's a web. Yes, that's correct. So the missing letter is letter E. It's a web. 3. What is in the picture? It's a Deep. Yes, it's deep. Look at the picture number 4. It's a picture of a log. So the missing letter is letter O. And the last one is a picture of a gum. So the missing letter is letter U. That's correct. So let's read. Bag, web, deep, log, and gum. Great job, kids! Learning test number 3. Choose the correct word that names the picture. Write your answers in your notebook. Look at the picture number 1. Is it a picture of a cup, or cap? Yes, that's correct. It's a cap. How about picture number 2? Is it a picture of a den, pen, or pen? Yes, that's great. It's a pen. How about number 3? Is it a mop, a hop, or a tap? Yes, the correct answer is top. And number 4, is it a pen, or van, or bond? It's a van. That's great. The last one, is it a vat, bat, or pet? Of course, it's a bat. Great job, kids. Short vowel sounds or words. Vowels comprise the principal sounds of syllables. When a vowel is followed by a consonant in the same syllable, it has a short sound. Example, the rat is fat. The word rat and fat has the consonant following the vowel A, so the vowel has a short sound. Learning test number 4. Choose the word in the sentence that names the picture. Write your answers in your notebook. 1. The hen is fat. 2. She will plant a seed in the pot. 3. The boy runs. 4. Mother uses the peg to hang the clothes. Let's answer. Number 1. The correct answer is hen. That's great. 2. The correct answer for number 2 is pot. 3. It's boy. And the last one, the correct answer is peg. Learning test number 5. Fill in the blank with the word that contains short vowel sound. Use the pictures as clues. Write your answers in your notebook. 1. Blank on a chair. 2. This is a blank. Look at the picture. What is that? 3. The blank runs. And 4. There is water in the blank. Let's answer. Look at the picture. What is the girl doing in the picture? Yes, sitting. Sit on a chair. 2. This is a mop. It's a mop. 3. The bus runs. The correct answer is bus. And 4. There is a water in the mug. That's correct. Let us read the answers once again. Sit, mop, bus, and mug. Good job, kids! Learning test number 6. Write the names of each picture with the short A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Write your answers in your notebook. Look at the pictures. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. Let's start answering. What are you going to do? You are going to name each picture with short vowel sounds. Let's begin with picture number 1. What's that? It's a bag. That's good. 2. It's a fin. That's correct. 3. It's a hat. Very good. And number 4, it's a net. Correct. And 5, it's a bug. That's good. 1 is a bat, fin, hat, net, and bug. Complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the given choices. Write your answers in your notebook. Choices are vowels, syllable, short. 1. Blank comprise the principal sounds of syllables. When a vowel is followed by a consonant in the same blank, it has blank sound. Let's see if you got the correct answer. Number 1 answer is vowels. Vowels comprise the principal sounds of syllables. When a vowel is followed by a consonant in the same syllable, it has short sound. That's all for today, kids. Good job. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.